It's the first day of school. We're going thrifting today, baby. All right, now my thrift kit is ready. All right, have a great day. Okay, so I made it to Family Thrift Outlet. It is $2 day, so $20 ought to go a long way. I'm gonna go in. I actually got a spot right in front of the door. People have been going in and out like crazy, so it's packed in there. I'll probably have to wait for a cart, but I'm excited to see what we're gonna find, so let's go in. Okay, everyone, now I'm gonna let you into my private thrifting thoughts. Okay, the question is, what do I really need to be looking for my fall wardrobe? But then, do I really always only buy stuff I need? Not. Ooh, right off the bat, I'm finding Levi's. 5-button fly, no less. I should really get these, even though I have like 50 million pairs of jeans. But they're not your size, ma'am. Put them back before you end up on Hoarders. Ooh, more jeans, and these are my size. Ooh, I really like the wash on these. Yes, I will be trying these on. Okay, here's a little olive green crop top. It's just Forever 21 though. But at least I think it's long enough not to show all my rolls. Ooh, and a houndstooth blazer. Don't I have one of these already? I'm still gonna try it on though. This is for the people. But I promise I'm not gonna buy no more blazers today. Ooh, but wait, here's a plaid one. And plaid is gonna be hot for this season. And look at the little pocket square. Ooh, here's a beige one. Man, you really cannot beat the quality of these vintage fabrics. Oh my gosh. Who put this cranberry brushed cotton velvet blazer right here just for me? I know it was you, Jesus. Look at this. It's gonna be way too big on me, but I should get it anyway. See, people be sleeping on this thrift store cashmere for $2 and this pretty pink too. But you know good and gosh darn well you already got one of those. And don't have wear it because it make you so hot. Put that back. Oh, I should get this so I can be Georgie for Halloween. My kids would have a fit. Okay, what is this? Ooh, come on over here, precious. I don't like that part, but I can take that off. But look at this. I can just replace this strap because it's short and cheap, but this is a winner. You going right here. All right, let's see. Oh, I'm always looking for leather. Why are these kids not in school? Where y'all mama? If y'all don't stop fighting in the middle of this aisle, let me go before I snatch somebody's kids. Oh, okay, let's get wild. Now I know I wasn't nobody's wild in 1986, but now in 1997, nah, not even in 1997. A little off, but not wild. Oh, this would be really cute layered over a white t-shirt. I don't know, I might be over that whole lingerie thing. Man, it's hot in here. Y'all making my hair puff now. Ah, and here we go with the sneezing. Gosh, dog, I should have brought my mask. Alright, let me go through all my stuff so I can figure out what I want to get since I gotta stay on a budget today. But if I do go over budget, I'm just gonna show them the best stuff that fit within the $20. Would I be wrong for that? Okay, I like the overall style of this dress. I saw somebody with a similar one on, but this one looks so junior. What was I thinking? I know I could probably turn this into something cool. I don't know. Maybe I could just cut the lace off and make it into a white bodysuit. That's so stupid. I know good and well I could just make a bodysuit in less than 5 minutes. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, here's a little easy fall skirt from Saks Fifth to wear on Sundays or something. Oh, and this one's kind of interesting. Vintage patterns. You know, at the very least I could turn it into something else. Oh, and let me try on these jeans. I really like the wash on. Oh my gosh. If I can get them up, I would really like the wash on these. Oh, okay, here they go. Oh, I like these and they're kind of different than anything else I got. All right. Okay, here's these other jeans. Like, I really need more jeans, but they fit good though. Okay, I've been really waiting to try these on. This dusty pink is really going to be good for the fall. With this large waistband, yeah. I've been seeing these a lot. Okay, I'm liking these. They're a tad bit too big, but I can fix that. Oh yeah, I really like these. Oh, okay, this crop top is not too short. My belly button all the way up to my chest anyway, so with some mom jeans, it'll be all right. Ooh, Now, I said I wasn't gonna buy no more blazers, but this one is so lightweight and it's short sleeve, so that technically could be not considered as a blazer. Okay, come through, Miami Vice chic. Wait, how I look from the back? Yes, I'm digging this. Aw, snap, big pimping for $2. As usual, my arm's 50 inches longer than the sleeves though. Okay, what do we have here? A little military inspired something something? You know you live in Houston, right? But I do need something to wear when I visit Chicago in the wintertime. Now you know good and well that coat not long enough to keep the hawk from going right up your back.
Girl, you lucky, big Lily. Everything fitting you. That's nice.
Thank you.
That's nice. If you just wear it one day.
I get my wear out of it because it's only $2.
And ain't spending no lot of money.
Nope.
Look, I gotta listen to the elderly. She making a lot of good points, right? All right, I gotta make some decisions and get to the next store.
Okay, so I made it to Buffalo Exchange. This store is a consignment store and they buy and sell more trendy pieces. So the $20 is definitely not gonna go as far, but I really like this store because I found this dress and this coverall set. So I absolutely love this store. So we're gonna cross our fingers and hope that I find something epic today.
All right, back to my head you go. All right, let's see what they got in this purse section. Well, hello there. Aren't you a beauty? But dang, $28? Okay, I'm on a budget today. Oh, a red corduroy blazer. Now you know you need another blazer like you need a hole in the head. All right, let's just go look at shoes. No, you know what you came in here for. Take yourself right on over to them dresses. Okay, a little flannel number right here. A wrap dress, some linen. Oh, okay, houndstooth gauchos with suspenders. Say that 5 times fast. Houndstooth gauchos with suspenders. Houndstooth gauchos with suspenders. Houndstooth gauchos with suspenders. I guess it wasn't that hard. Oh my gosh, look at this little green velvet number. I guess I really like velvet. And some floral with the little peekaboo in the front. That's for them flat ab having girls. But look at this. This is gorgeous. The red and the ruffles, but it's kind of big though. That's for them big chest having girls. All right, let's see. Oh snap, it's a romper. Let me put this camera down so I can get a dressing room started. All right, I made it to the dressing room. We got a little fashion queen for $14.50. Oh, look how cute that little ruffle is on the sleeve. But wait, I'm not one of them flat ab having girls. Oh well, next. Okay, a little Ralph Lauren. What you got for me today, Ralph? You gonna take me way off budget though, ain't you? But this print is gorgeous and the fabric feels so good. All right, Ralph, I see you. All right, now we got this little wrap dress by Blush. Not too bad. It's a little over budget though. I think this is gonna be a little bit harder than I thought. Oh, okay, here's this flannel dress. Oh, okay, not too bad. And it's definitely within my budget. The splits are kind of high though. Is this actually a dress or a top? Oh, hey, calf. Did they see my calf? I may not be one of them flat ab girls, but I'm definitely a calf girl. Ow. See, look at them calves. Look, this how I'ma walk. Okay, here's a little Way Mia. Slightly over budget, but you cute. But I think this is supposed to be a duster. Womp, womp, womp. I want it to be a dress. I would probably wear it as a duster sometimes, but I like it as a dress too. I hate doing buttonholes though. Shoot. It looks nice either way though. Okay, here's a little Zara shift dress. I really like the color and the sleeves, but I hate how it makes my chest look. Okay, here's that romper. Ooh, pretty little things. I see Jenny Jenkins buy from them all the time. Oh yes, this is comfy. I feel so free like a baby and the color is amazing. Alright, I really hope the people appreciate me sharing my thrift thoughts. While they're still in my head, let's see if I can get them to subscribe before I show them everything I got. Alright, out of my head you go. Alright everyone, here's the final results. This is what I got from Family Thrift Outlet, these 6 items. Definitely let me know what you think I should have got. Plus, I got this red leather skirt to be used for something else. Definitely click the eye if you want to see what I use my repurposed leather for. As well as I got that little straw bag. I could not leave that behind. I'll be adding a new strap to that, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, so what did I actually decide to get at Buffalo Exchange? I'm sure you guessed it, I got the romper, of course. It was just so comfortable and cute all at the same time. I really couldn't pass it up. I hope that you can see that you can find some really great stuff no matter what type of thrift store you go to. I would really love to know what type of thrift store is your favorite. Let me know in the comments, and definitely watch some of these videos to show how I style or remake my thrifted finds. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.